Hello everyone. Good morning to all. Myself Sia, and I welcome you all for this alumni session. So we have Lakshmi Krishna Veni with us today, who will be sharing her journey. Hello Lakshmi.
Hi, ma'am. Good
Yeah, hi.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you, ma'am?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good.
Mhm.
All right. So Lakshmi has is currently working at a company called as Genius, okay, as a Python developer, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
yes, Krishnavani. So first of all, congratulations on your achievement. So please take us through your journey from being a student at DataMites and successfully landing a job as Python developer.
Thank you for this opportunity, ma'am. First of all, see, at the first thing, I completed my graduation in 2025, and we don't have a thought of joining any institute or this kind. We thought of searching job, but suddenly we are interested in joining for AI in any institute. We kept on searching, and one of my friends suggested this institute. We went on through the reviews, and we also felt it quite interesting. So we joined this institute in May, and later on it went on. The classes were actually like very understandable for the person with who doesn't have knowledge about anything can come here and learn more thing, because from the basic they keep on they take us through the, like they take us from route like roadmap basics to extent. So I have been through this part, but we already have knowledge about this AI. So we kept on job searching, like along with the classes. In this way, we got it, and I got this opportunity.
Okay, so you are from Hyderabad, right? Branch, I suppose, data might you
Yeah.
attended, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you started your data science journey for on this in this year of May, or you are a
In this
student
year of May
this year
2020.
of May. All right. So you completed your CDS and then you did the job search
No,
and
no, no,
yeah,
ma'am.
you're
It
not
is
yet
not
completed.
completed.
Not yet completed. Okay, so during your training period only, you have now searched about this company and you gave interview and you got selected.
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful, wonderful. Nice to know about it, Krishnaveni. So tell me about since you have joined as a CDS, right, for the data science branch.
It's
So
not CPS AI.
AI, you directly joined as AI. Okay, so tell me about your sessions. Okay, so what you have learned. Okay, and right, how was your experience? Okay, or how is your experience in learning going through these sessions?
The sessions were very good, ma'am. The trainers which I have attended, or the trainers which taught us, were very good. Like they could explain everything neatly in a brief way. I almost attended all the four faculties, all the faculty seminars. I can say that they are very professional in teaching the students. They even contact with, or not, it's not like contact, they in the classes itself they just monitor, what do we say this, it's not monitor, it's like they communicate with the students so that students doesn't have any doubts, and also they communicate with them if for any issues. And this is all good if any person needs, like some maybe they are introverts and can't ask the doubts loudly. So teachers or the staff communicate with them going to the in person. And we also, I saw people communicating with them even after the classes so that they can clear their doubts. This is like open. Every time you can clear your doubts anytime, or you can learn anything anytime.
Okay, very nice, very nice. So since you have joined as a AI, right, expert for this course, tell me experience about how the learning of different technologies, computer vision, NLP, right? So how is the experience learning all these topics?
In my point of view, I already have quite little knowledge about this, so I didn't find that much hard or something. But I heard the trainings, right? With the knowledge, if we hear the trainings, we'll understand how are they teaching, and how uh how is the level of the teaching. I felt like it is good. Not good actually. It is better. Like in the high technologies, when we are coming to high technologies like AI, the staff was very good in teaching that and explaining that even a person with little intelligence on that also can understand.
Okay, okay. So, yes, so yes, you said that, right, the sessions, right, you are having a prior knowledge of all these topics like NLP and all that, and it didn't take you much of difficulty in going deeper into this topic with the help of our trainers, right? So, tell me how much time you used to spend daily during your learning hours, okay, in order to grasp or practice or revise all these topics.
I think I just take this like I just do this only in the institute. After going from the institute, I don't do. After the classes, I'll prepare in the institute itself. We'll be having this study lab. So I'll be doing my work there and I'll be studying from there. And all the time, I learned it from the institute itself.
Okay, nice to know. So you are spending the time for your revising, for going through the topics at institute itself, right? So you are the trainers could help you in right any difficulty as such as very nice, Krishnaveni. All right. So have you started with any internship projects or something like that at DataMites?
Actually, my time is that, ma'am. Like, I need to start the internship that time, but I got a job, so I didn't go through that. Now, I mean, like after in the weekends, I will start that.
Wonderful, wonderful. So you have completed your learning period of AI, and then you have right opted for this particular the interviews, correct? And you got through the interview which you have attended. Nice. So yeah. So can you tell me how you have got the call for the company which you have been selected just now? So have you put your right details or your resume on any portal? So portal you got a call or through any reference you got a call?
No, ma'am, I just applied it through a portal and they conducted an interview with where they gave a task to me, which is new to me actually. They gave me a 1 day of time. And later, after that 1 day, when I just went through that task, they were okay. And they just mentioned that we'll be calling you after a week or saying that. And after a week, I got a call that you are selected. That's the way, ma'am.
Okay, so any particular portal you referred, right, you uploaded your resume on?
Yes, ma'am, it is indeed. But
Indeed. Okay. All right. Wonderful. Okay. So, yeah. So you said that they called you based on the profile and they gave you one task, right? So what kind of task they gave you actually,
it's
Krishna?
a task based on Gen AI and RAG, ma'am. We need to uh, we need to serve. What is we need to transcribe a video. I was given that task. Use it to use RAG and LLMs. That was a new topic for me because AI is different and Gen AI is different. This is all based on Gen AI, so it went on that way.
Okay, so Gen AI is just a subfield of AI, you can say. But yes, deep learning, then we have to go to LLMs. A lot of things are there, right? If you have to see, right, in perspective of Gen AI. Okay, so since this role was Python developer, right? So anything was mentioned when you had applied on the portal regarding that it would be AI specific role and all something like that.
Actually, I didn't give it a thought, ma'am. I saw it's Python developer and I'm interested in Python actually.
Yeah.
AI is later. I'm interested in AI too, but Python is my interest. So I applied it, but later on I came to know that this is Python developer with AI. So
With
I'm
AI.
working on AI also simultaneously. Both are happening as my wish.
Mm-hmm. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, so then after you completed the task, they called you, right? Maybe it was a if offline interview, I guess, or online it was.
It's an online interview.
Online interview, right? So during your main technical interview, what kind of questions were asked during that time, Krishnaveni?
I'm fresher, Noma. So they just asked the questions based on my project. And after asking the questions on based on the project, they just gave me a task so that time is reduced for the selection process and they can understand. They told me that I need to understand. I don't want to go through your resume. I know this, but I'm not getting you. getting to know you. So I need to give you a task, and they just gave me a task.
Okay, so they asked you some very basic questions based on the projects which you did at during your college time and all, right? And then they gave you another task when you had attended the technical. So what was the task actually?
That's the task. As I mentioned before, it is a YouTube video summarizer, not summarizer. First, transcribe the video like subtitles, extracting the subtitles from the YouTube video and summarize this YouTube video. From this YouTube video, we should ask questions and it should answer. I like it. Acts like a chatbot.
Okay, so any timeline was given because the task, right, it seems to be little easy, but if you have not gone through this topic and all, right, it seems to be little tough. So how much time was given for that task to complete actually?
1 day is given, ma'am.
One day it was given. Okay, so you had to do it and submit it through
Yes,
online only. And then once after reviewing, they give you call back that you are selected.
ma'am.
Wonderful, wonderful. So any HR round was conducted after that?
No, ma'am. This is the only round conducted, and later on, after a week, they just called and told you are selected.
Selected. Wonderful, wonderful, Krishnaveni. So anything you referred in order to prepare for this interview, any online portal or maybe any website or YouTube channel in order to prepare for this interviews?
Not for the interview, ma'am, but for the task, as I don't know the topic, I just referred some YouTube videos. That's it. And no portals or nothing to be referred during further interview. I did not refer, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Okay, nice, 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 Krishnavedi. So have you joined the company as of now, or they have right not yet told any joining date as
No,
of
ma'am. I'm currently working. It's been, I think,
now?
1.5 months.
1.5 months. Wonderful, wonderful. So tell me about what kind of projects you all are doing right over there in your company.
Think it's not like they told it's confidential. I don't know
You
whether
don't
I
need
could
to
say
tell.
it.
Yeah, but any tools that you all are using
Yeah, Gen AI, ma'am. Whatever I got interviewed I'm working
on the
on those.
same
Yeah.
module or same tools. Okay. So any kind of like so we use different tools in our right our day-to-day life like SQL, Python, then different tools we use in order to execute. So any specific tool is there for running this Gen AI applications?
No, ma'am. Python is enough for this.
Python
I
is
think,
enough.
yeah, Python. Based on Python, we can go on with this Gen
Oh,
AI.
okay. Any editor you are using in order to do your day-to-day work?
Visual Studio Code.
Visual Studio you are using. Okay, nice, 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 Krishnaveni. All right. So, yeah, so we can see there are some questions coming from our attendees. One attendee is asking, which job portals you applied? Okay, so was that only Indeed or any other portals did you apply?
Actually, I tried in many portals, ma'am. First, LinkedIn. But LinkedIn doesn't respond actually. It's like in right now it is a waste of time to apply in LinkedIn for freshers or anyone. Maybe experienced may get that. It is good for referrals again because we can see the profiles who are having experience in particular companies. We can ask them for referral. This is very helpful for this. Next, I used to apply in Naukari. Naukari is also a good portal, but we might get chances little bit low. Even Indeed also, it is also a portal where we get chances are little low only, ma'am. We might get, but I'm not sure, so that I can't say particularly this portal. And also, I have heard some of my friends are applying from different portals, but I exactly don't know the names of the portals where we can apply and they reply fastly.
Okay, so usually you can say a lot of things are there, right? When you prepare your resume. So, did you refer to any website to prepare your resume as such, Krishnaveni?
No, ma'am. I prepared it by myself.
You prepared it by yourself, and did you check your ATS score and all somewhere? Did you do that?
Yes, first time I checked it, it is 60 to 70. It is in the middle of 60 to 70.
Mm-hmm.
So later I didn't check it, but I applied it as usual. Like how it is, I just applied it.
Okay. Great, great. So I think ATS also plays a very important role when the calls come, right, from different portals. Wonderful, wonderful. So we have one question coming from one more student right, the question is coming from YouTube. When did you pass out?
I passed out in 2025, recent graduate.
Recent graduate, and the moment you graduated you thought of right doing this AI course with us, and right while doing the course only you got this opportunity to do Python developer with AI, right? So that's what right you have got currently. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so we have one more question coming up. Okay, yeah, any websites you can suggest for resume building? Anyone you know
Man,
about? Yeah.
like it's not a website, it's chat GPT. You can use chat GPT, but with a particular prompt. You should give that prompt along with your details are also important. The prompt is main. How you give the prompt, it takes it that way and gives us, it generates a resume. It will give us like ATS score is above 80 or something. We should mention that also. My ATS score should be more than 90 or something. How do you want? Describe it to the chat GPT and ask. This is also best way to build a resume.
Correct, correct. So ChatGPT helps us in a different ways. Only thing is we need to know how to give the prompts, how to give the proper prompt so that we can get a desired result. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so there is a question coming from Ninad. He's asking, how and where did you get to learn about Gen AI?
It's like from YouTube. I do follow or in like in he's a Krishna. I do follow him. He teaches, his teachings are very easy to learn. He teaches us in Hindi. So I got a video from his list with Gen AI and RAG. So I use that to learn, and later on, it's on my own again. That too, Gen
Great.
AI is also a new topic, no? So there is no so much of information about that, ma'am. Like they are also trying now, so it is a little. When I tried to learn from the YouTube, also I got only one or two videos, so I learned it from that Krishna X channel, and later on it's all about self learning. Everything should we should have the thing to learn. We can learn from anything.
Correct. So if you have interest, then definitely, right, that interest makes you to learn a lot of things. Correct, Krishnaveni. All right. So, what do you think in this current era, which skill is very important for us to master in order to get the jobs in AI field?
Ma'am, can you pardon me? I didn't
Yeah, the
understand.
question is, what kind of skill we need to master nowadays in order to get the job? Okay.
Okay, like I think the main thing flexibility. You should be flexible to go on or to learn anything. We don't know what company needs at that time, but they may change. I don't want this. I don't want you to do this. I want you to shift to this. Then only you can survive in the company. Then that's the thing. You have to be flexible. You have to be open minded to learn anything which the company shows or which our career might grow. We have some roles that may be replaced by AI so that we can't be going on to this. We should be open minded to learn another thing so that our future continues in that career or in that part. So I think this flexibility is needed in this current generation to secure a job.
Correct. Very important because technology is changing, right? Every now and then. Whatever we used to, right, use before, it's been not used now. So we have to be flexible and we have to be ready to learn anything which comes across, right? Very important thing. Very nice, Lakshmi. So, team, do we have any more questions for Lakshmi from different portals? Please let us know. So, Lakshmi, where you are working currently in Hyderabad itself or
It's work from home, man. My company
work
is
from
in
home?
Lucknow, so this is work from home.
Work from home. Wonderful, wonderful. That's very nice. So, from Lucknow, they are right down. You have your own team where you are able to connect from your home itself. You are able to connect to different people.
Man.
All right, so nice to know about that. So I can see there are no questions from right students. So I think you whatever you have informed them, it's very much clear. And yes, definitely you have shared so many important insights today, right? And I'm definitely sure it will help everyone in order to right prepare well for their upcoming interviews. So thank you so much, Krishnaveni. So it was a very insightful session. And we wish you all best of luck in your all future endeavors, Krishnaveni. It was
Yeah, ma'am.
nice having you here.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's nice meeting you.
Yeah. Bye, Krishnaveni. Take care.